Welcome to our video on how to blow eggs using tools you have at home. Since one of our tools is broken, this is just a German set of tools, we had to come up with a life hack on how to do this yourself at home. In the past, the eggs we've used and made have been this, just a regular blue dyed egg, a crystal egg, one that we put birds in, and one that we put stickers on. The tools you will need for this is a drill with a fine drill bit and a pump with a nozzle that you would usually use for basketballs and soccer balls. You will also need an egg. You will place it in the egg carton so it has a place to balance and be stabilized. With the help of someone else, you will drill into the egg. And you're done. Then you will turn it around and do the other side. Our egg, this one, we have already done both sides. So we will use the pump to blow it out. Make sure you do this very slowly, otherwise your egg will explode. And then, after this is done, there you are, a hollow egg. You can also use a push pin to make the holes if you do not have a drill. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped your egg experience.